Can you guys hear me, chart? Can you all hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Look at what we said, guys. Look at that. Look at that. We are in for, yeah, I was super convinced that we could be in for that. We could be in for a bearish move. That is what we see. All right, so let's see, guys. Let's see. We said we are shooting for price to go down. That's our conviction. And we believe the market has taken all the buy side liquidity. The magnet, there's a greater magnet now for it to go back to the downside. And we are waiting. We are waiting to see what actually happens. We are waiting to see what actually happens. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Let me know what you think, chart. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah. We are creating a resistance around that area. And that the reason we're having a resistance around that price level is not random. Let's look you know, I was told in my early days of trading, right, that always look at what the market has been doing. Don't just look at what it is doing right in front of you. Look at what it has been doing. So we can see this was on Friday trading session. This was a strong area of more like a resistant accumulation or range. It was a strong range area, and price has gone back into that area. One thing you have to know is that price likes to go where it has been. You know, it's almost like a crime scene, right? They always go back to the crime scene to see if there are some evidences, there are some things that we need to polish up, to clean up, to make sure that nothing is left behind. That's kind of like what happens as well with the market. So you always see them reacting to previous highs or lows, or previous areas of resistance, support. So those areas are always have like a magnetic force in terms of what price does or what price doesn't do. They always like to react around those key levels. And that is what we are looking at now. Okay. This seems good to us. We are in this. We are in this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Market came here, created a manipulation, went back up, induced the buyers, and it's not taking us to the downside. We love to see it. We love to see that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take us all the way down. 1:4 all. You can't beat that. That is what the rigs any day, anywhere. 1:4R. It is worth every penny. Let's see what happens. All right, what is going on? We are waiting. We are waiting. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nothing has changed. That range is respecting last week range, but it's good. It's good for what we are seeing. Everything is textbook. The market is creating lower lows, and with a stronger sales, the sales, getting steam, getting momentum. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. In this situation, it is not a good time for us to go risk free, but if price goes back down, breaking past that open, see, it's reacting close to the open price. If it goes past that open, that could be more like a clear indication that we should be considering going break even. Everything is aligning perfect with what we're looking for. We got our fingers crossed. And see how everything plays out. Let's see how everything plays out. Good. This market, guys, you have to sit on your hands. If you can't sit on your hands, man, the market is gonna make you to pay. This is a patient and a wait game. This is a patient and a wait game. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for the most part. That's why trading is more like a path to self-mastery. If you really want to be a good trader, you have to master yourself. It's almost like what was said by Shang Tzu, right, guys? Don't quote me for this. I'm probably chopping up his name. He said something in the Art of War. It's like, for you to win a war, you have to win yourself. And if you can win yourself and you win your enemy, then eventually you will win the war. But if you can win your enemy, but you've not won yourself, for every battle you win, eventually you will lose. And that same understanding could be transferable in the market, right? For you to win in the market, the first thing you have to conquer is yourself. Because like the market is always going to do what the market does. And guess what? You can regulate the market, but the only person you got to regulate is yourself, for you to not to self-sabotage, because you could have something that works, but if you come in here and you are just going like emotionally wide, and you can just do the whole lot of stupid things and just mess everything up. But you have a good strategy that works, you have the data to validate your strategy. But the challenge is that you can't just sit on your hands, because you've not been trained to do that. It requires training to do that. That's why I know all your gurus will tell you something like, oh, psychology is nothing. You shouldn't be worried about psychology. I totally disagree. Yeah, it's good to have a strategy in the market, but the most important thing is how you manage your strategy. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of profitable strategies out there, a lot of them. But the key differential is more like, are you going to execute a strategy? Are you going to do what is right by that strategy? Are you still going to execute the strategy even when you're losing? You know, like the famous saying of Mike Tyson says, everybody has a plan, right? Until they get punched in the face. So when you hit that loss in the market, what are you going to do? Are you just going to shit in your pants and just go throw all the kitchen sink and just go on an emotional spray and just lose everything because you're trying to fight the market? I've been there, guys, especially me, bro. When I get to that point where my adrenaline is up and I just want to go for the swing, I'm like, I'm wet, I might as well get wet. So I would just go and just let the market to hurt me even more, and just increase my losing curve, you know, which is not bad, which is not good. That is not the way we trade. That's why we literally have to learn to self-regulate if we have to be good traders. Self-mastery is of utmost important. It couldn't be overemphasized, I'll tell you that. Forget about all your gurus, what they're saying. That's not true. You need it. And to me, that's why if you really have to be a good trader, you have to have certain practices and things that helps you to keep your mind and your emotion in check. If you don't have those things, for every day you win and so shall you lose. Your consistency is gonna be inconsistent just because you are the freaking problem. You know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah, that's enough of my ranting, guys. Let's look at what the market is saying. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about what is happening right now? Look at that. Look at that. In a situations like this, we can start bringing our stop losses somewhere down. We might not put it. Yeah, we can go semi risk free, right? If the market go there and come back and take us at that point, it means our trading ideas invalid, and we have to be comfortable when our trading ideas are invalid. You know, because we are in an environment of uncertainty and probability. Okay, so we are in a game of probability. Let's see. So partial loss. Let's see how it plays out. At the meantime, while we are waiting, let's listen to some music. What kind of music do you guys normally listen to, chat? What kind of music? What are your go-to musics? Do y'all fuck with Afrobeat? Do y'all fuck with Afrobeat? Do y'all know what Afrobeat is all about? Some of you have no clue. Be like, what are you talking about, Arnold? Afrobeat? There we go. You can listen to it if this is your first time. You might probably fall in love. I remember there was a time I was going to buy a car, right? So while I was test driving the car, I got in the car. I was trying to test to make sure everything was working properly. And I played some music, right? I played some Afrobeat, and this dude that was in the car, like, A white dude, like he was like, "What kind of music is that?" Like, I really like it. Who sang the music? So I literally had to give him like a whole bunch of songs, and yeah, y'all might like this too. If you do, you want to know who sang it, cat, just tell me. I'll put it in the chat. My life. Oh, 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 oh. Something's gonna do. Say what baby, I don't know. I would like to find oh tomato. Mm. That is good. I like that. I like that. It came back for retracement. Came back for retracement. I like that. 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 I like what I'm saying. I like what I'm saying. I think at this point we can go break. We can go break even. Click below to learn more about Robinhood Legend. At this point we can go break even. Sometimes I get check my phone to see if you down. If I love anybody, the way I take love you. My, if I have close friends, they check my name. My dog, if you leave me, you want something. I like what we are showing right now. I like it. I like it. This is where we can go risk free. Absolutely. Absolutely. We can go risk free at the moment. If it goes back, it's what it is. That's the market. That's the market. We have an idea. We go and test it and see if our idea was valid or not. If it was not valid, we let it go. We don't cling to an idea. No, we don't. We prove it right there in the market. If the market tells us, you know what, I know your idea is bullshit, your idea is not valid, guess what? I take the humble pill and stay out. That's all you gotta do. You gotta take the humble pill. But some of you don't want to take the humble pill. When the market invalidates your idea, you get pissed. I've been there, guys. Get so pissed and you start doing a lot of crazy stuff. Nah, not today. Not today. We're not gonna take the stupid pill today. We're not gonna do it. No. Not today. Not today. No stupid pill today, guys. Put in the chat, guys. No stupid pills. No stupid pills. We're not taking no stupid pills. We doing what is calculated, logical, and what we work in our favor. No stupid pill, guys. No stupid pill in the chart. We're not doing nothing stupid. Okay? Awesome, awesome, awesome. At the meantime, let's keep enjoying that music, buddy. Let's keep enjoying that music. Okay, what is happening with the market? Look at this, guys. Look at this market. It's threatening to go take us out. I don't care. I don't care. You have to be okay. I don't care. If it takes us out, is what it is because we did the right thing. The market created two, like almost three levels of resistance. This is the first level of resistance, second level of resistance, third level of resistance, fourth level of resistance. If we break through all those resistance and take us out, it's what it is. We don't cry about it. We let it go. We let it go. It was not our market. That's it. Okay, okay, okay. But look at what happened, guys. Like, look at that. I already discharged myself from that outcome, right? And I was comfortable if you went back and take us out. Because guess what? We did the right thing. Because some people now, if it goes back and take them back, they'll be like, if I knew, I would have stayed at the stop loss. No, you don't stay at the stop loss. You're not trading properly. The market was going in your favor and you were rolling in profit, and there was strong areas of resistance that was to act as a shield. If you break through those areas, you have no reason to be in that trade. As simple as that, period. You have no freaking reason to be in there. That's what happened. Like right now, if you like to panic, it likes to go back and take us on the entry, we're good. But we're not gonna shift our soft loss. No. If you take us there and go back down, so be it. So be it. But we did the right thing. We do the right thing, and the right thing is sticking to your rules, and the three rules as stipulated by Warren Buffett. Rule number one, never lose money. Rule number two, never lose money. Rule number three, never lose money. So if we are being conservative and putting our stop loss at the entry, the more the market goes in our favor and it comes back and take us out, it's okay. It's okay. But that apparently seems like that's not what is going to happen. It seems like the market is ready to give us some money. Give us some money. Look at what is happening, Chad. We are we are risk free at this point. Risk free, risk free, risk free. Free money, free money, free money. Now we're on free money mode. Okay, we are still in this. I like what we are seeing. See the strong rejection, strong. See the weak. That's a rejection. That's a strong bullish rejection. I like that. I like that. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. At this point, we are risk free. If the market go and takes us out, it's all good. We are protected by a whole lot of levels of resistance where if you take us out, it's one of those things right here. Strong area validated by this candle. It's rejection right here. And strong area as well. So if we are break even, we could even take some profit as it high, but the market could come back and test this high. Yeah, I mean, we are risk free, risk free, risk free, risk free. Look at that, chats. Look at that. Okay, we are in profit right now. Everything's look yummy. Everything looks like it is going according to plan. So this is where we relax. I take the back seat and let everything come to us. Okay, we've been patient. We are risk free right now. Risk free, and we are waiting. It's a crazy, crazy market. Look at everything that was happening. Price moving left and right, and a lot of misdirection. There was a lot of misdirection going on, but it seems like it's about to pay us now. It seems like it's about to be that time for us to get paid. Seems like it's paying time. It looks like it's paying time. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are all for it. Let's go, guys. Let's make some money, chat. Money Sunday, guys. Money Sunday. Put in the money Sunday. Put money Sunday on the chart. Money Sunday. Let's make some money. All right, let's see what's happening. Let's wait. All right, guys, we are in this. We are in this. Everything is going accordingly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. At this point, we are logging in some profit. At this point of the trade, we are logging in some profit. If the market comes back against us, we have to take some profit. Okay? We are managing the trade. This is trade management. This another aspect you have to understand is that trade management is equally important. Okay, let's give some room. Let's put it right there. Let's give some room for the market to breathe. But you got to manage it. You got to manage your trade. And we at this point as well, we could scale in. But that's the subject for another day. We could scaling at this point, but I don't think we're gonna do it. We're not scaling in. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. At this point, the market is going all the way. Everything is red. USD JPY red. JBP JPY. Remember, guys, I told you they were leading the dance. The fact that they were heading downtrend, I told you pay attention to that boy right there. The fact that they were heading downtrend, that's what solidified my position. USD JPY coming down. Australian dollar JPY coming down. Damn, bear. Everywhere is blood, blood, blood. There's blood on the street. I would love it. We love this kind of blood. This kind of blood is making us some money. We love it. More blood today, guys. More red. Let's make it red. Let's make it red. This is going to be my biggest book ever. No, not like that. This is going to be my biggest book. Oh, not even like that. This is going to be my biggest book ever. Actually, not even like that. This is going to be my biggest. Okay, market, what are you doing? What are you doing? I don't like that correction. I don't like it. But guess what? The market does what the market do. The market goes up, it comes down. Bullish, impulsive retracement. That's how it does. That's how it works. But at the same time, I don't see anything that could be indicative of the fact that we are changing direction. Oh, no, that's not true. That's not true. Yeah, this is a crucial area because if you look, remember I said if you want to know what the market is doing, look at what it's doing and look at what it did in the past. Right here, we see these strong areas. So yeah, right now we are in it. It's a very challenging part, but all these liquidities are not been swept, and this was the pull. This was the thing that made us to be more confident in our decision because all the buy sell liquidities were swept, but the sell side liquidities was not yet swept, and that was a magnetic pull. Okay, right now a challenging path to come all the way to our take profit. But guess what? It's okay. We're locking some profits, right? We're locking some profit, but we gotta stick to our plan. Yeah, we gotta stick. We gotta stick. All right. We are still hanging in there, hanging in there. We are getting closer to the hour. We are expecting that move, maybe 13 pips move from here. And that gives us room for our second entry, which is real entry. This was like some child's play, but our real.
Tired of investing influencers and skip. Robinhood Legend is a free intuitive trading platform that can help you take your investments to the next level. Click below to learn more about Robinhood Legend.
That is a crucial area. That's a crucial area. Don't ask me how did I know. I just know it. I just know it. I can tell you how, but I just know it. I'm joking, guys. I know exactly why. But I'm not gonna tell you that. You want me to tell you that? You gotta book me for a one-on-one, or you get my calls. You get yeah. But that area is crucial. Liquidity zones. These are liquidity zones. Let's see how it plays out. Awesome, 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 awesome. Look at what is happening. Let's go, Chad. Let's go. Let's go. I like that. I like that, guys. It's like we are on for that bullish movement. Nothing can stop the bulls right now. Nothing can stop the sells. The sellers have taken over the fight. They're unstoppable. But we are still in those crucial areas. We are still in those crucial areas. But and yeah, risk free, risk free. At this point, I think it's gonna hit our take profit. What do you guys think, Chad? Should we close it now? Should we hold on and and stick to our take profit? What do you guys think? Somebody said close it. Nah, I'm not gonna close it, guys. I can't. I'm greedy. I'm greedy. I want a 1 to 4 risk reward. I'm still gonna wait for it. But at the same time, I'm trailing in. I'm trailing in while I'm waiting, though. We're not gonna take some stupid pill. Remember, we said we are not taking stupid pill today. We're not gonna take any stupid pill. I'm logging in some profit while I'm waiting. No stupid pill at all. Interesting, interesting. We are still in. We are still in. And we are still waiting. We are waiting, guys. We are waiting. We are still waiting for the market to go to our take profit. Remember, we are patient, we are precise, and we are disciplined. DPP, discipline, patience, and precision. That is who we are, and that is how we trade. We got 20 more minutes to the hour, 20 more minutes, 20 more minutes. This is the moment where there is a greater liquidity. If the market does not aggressively go to our take profit from now to the next 20 minutes, it's gonna get me to rethink our decision. Okay? Because that's the area where price is expected to go to a designated area, to an area of liquidity, to an area where the banks like to deal, a dealing area. So your boy's waiting. We are waiting. We are not closing yet. We are not closing yet. Anything can happen in this crazy market. It can still go back up and take us out. But in this case, we've locked in some profit. We've locked in some profit. And I will even think our stop loss, our take profit has to come a little bit down. Everything can happen in this crazy market. It goes back there, okay. We take some profit. That's the right thing to do. That'll be the right thing to do. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. My mission. That was my weakness. Yeah, guys, when we're doing all this, sometimes the music helps to kind of, you know, make us decompress a little bit. This could be nerve wracking sometimes. When the market is in this emotional roller coaster, it could be nerve wracking. So a little music at the background helps calm our nerves. Yep, it's like, yeah, the W formation that helps to make us know that our price is still going down. And just a quick lessons right there, guys. The W formation. I know there's a lot of people this day out there that they say a lot of crazy things to shit on different patterns like the flag patterns and the double head and shoulders and the W and the M formation. In as much as I do incorporate some smart money concepts in the way I trade, but that notwithstanding, guys, the modern respect patterns. And pattern is one of my long-term strategies for the swings. Just look right now. If you look just at this chart, whenever there was a W formation and there was an M formation, the market either came back to the neckline or it reacts around that area. Why does that happen? I don't know, but it happens all the time. So don't let people tell you patterns are bullshit. They are not bullshit. Look at now, that's a W formation, and the market is slowly probably going to come back to that neckline. Look at it. It's like a magnet, and there's a reaction when price comes to that level for the most part. So don't let anybody shit that patterns are bullshit and all that. And that's a soft part with a lot of people that comes to trading, and when they are aware of all the smart money concepts and all those things, they try to shit on some of these this long lasting retail concepts that have existed. Some of them works, like with everything in the market, most things works, but what matter is your implementation of them. And what matter are the other stuff that you're adding to make your strategy to be more dialed in and more effective, right? So look at this happening, and if it breaks that area, it gives you like a strong, it's breaking it and it's creating another information. So now we are looking if it is going to be a retracement, but based on what happens now, is going to tell us if we are going down all the way. So it's done, like it's for real. That M patterns of information, I'm gonna teach you guys some strategies on that as well that I use for like swing trading. But that thing work. It works. Let nobody tell you otherwise, okay? We do trade smart money, but to understand smart money, you have to understand all the retail playbooks because it just helps you to be able to pre-sync when you're telling the story or you're analyzing what the market is doing. Look at now that W candle is formed, okay? So I'll be able to tell if there's going to be a retracement back up or there is not. I don't like that. I don't like that. It came back to the neckline. I don't like that candle. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it, but I don't like it. I disapprove of it. I disapprove of that candle. I don't like it. 40 more minutes to go to the hour. 40 more minutes. 40 more minutes. 40 more minutes. Look at what happened. It came back to the neckline. WM formation, that shit works, man. This is a crucial price level, you ask me. This is a crucial price level. Right here, I'm thinking price might go back up. So in this situation, I'm gonna log in more profit just in case it goes back up. I am not too sure that we're gonna head. I'm not too sure that we're gonna head all the way to our take profit. So I will selfishly log in some profit. If it goes back and take us, and so what? And so what? I'll take some profit. Yeah, it seems like it's invalidated. If it take us out, it's okay. Actually, I didn't like the way price reacted at that level. That could be a rejection. And if you look on this other side, the market came and traded in that gap, the area of inefficiency, which was a magnet. When it came in that gap, it traded in that gap and it took that was a fair price. So we should expect that because it's an area of inefficiency, right? Whenever you see that gap, it's an area of imbalance. It's an area of inefficiency, and price always tend to go back in those places because it feels like there is a place. It's an area to do business. So yeah, we just wait. We just wait. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I had to take profit there. Yeah, it could go back down, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. We are closer to the hour. I'm not too sure. So we are running. Oh, we took some. We took. It was a fair play. We took partial profit. Yeah, but I'll be at peace with that. Yep. Yeah. At this point, guys, we could call it a quit, man. It was happy trading day. We made some profit. The market respected our levers, and overall, I think we did a lot of things good. We're patient. We did not chase the market. We're patient and let the market come to us. And we're not quick to cut our losses. I feel like our we took we took the profit when we had to. Okay, we are 6 minutes to the hour, but everything was good. I think our analysis was on point, and yeah, we made the right decision. It was a good call. I'm happy with our decision overall. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe and share with your friend to come join this channel. We'll be providing a lot of values as we are streaming. We'll find opportunities to drop in lessons and insights to help you in your journey so we can all grow together to become better traders. Bye bye for now. See you guys back tomorrow morning. We are going to be trading futures. It's going to be from 9 a.m., I believe, to 10:30. And every day from Sunday to Thursday, we're going to be back in the Asian market from 6 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be trading together and enjoying as we are trading. All right, guys. Love you all. Bye bye for now.